Honorable respected teachers and my dear friends, you gave me a golden opportunity to speak before you. Dear friends, we all know that why we came here. We know that we all gathered here to celebrate on our Teachers' Day. Honorable teachers and my dear friends, in today's program, I want to share my thoughts. I want to share my opinion about the Teachers' Day. What is the importance of our teachers in our life, in our society, in our daily routine? But firstly, I would like to thank to my honorable teachers for giving me a golden opportunity to speak before you. My today's topic is related to our Teachers' Day. I want to say something about the topic of Teachers' Day. Honorable teachers and dear friends, as we all know that teachers really play an important role in the education and life of their students. Teachers usually become individuals with proper visions, knowledge and experience. As we all know that the teachers has many roles, many important roles in the education of the students, society and the country. Friends, the development of the country and society and the life of the students depend on the quality of the education, which is given by only a good teachers. Our teachers do not consider us less than our own children and teach us diligently as a child. When we need in our life inspiration and encouragement, which we definitely find from our honorable teachers. They teach us to get out of any bad situation in life through the wisdom and patience. Wisdom and patience. Friends, a good teacher is like a candle, as we all know that it consumes itself to light the way for others. It's called that Mustafa Kemal Atatürk said in his speech, teaching has always been considered as a noble. A teacher looked upon as a guide, a mentor. No matter how younger or old teacher is, they consider their students as their own children. The best teacher tell their students where to look but don't tell them what to see. Friends, after that, now I am going to conclude my speech. Yes. Thank you all for giving me golden opportunity. Thank you all for being me here and making this program successful. So thank you all of you.